Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Butter, the beneficial properties of this product and can it harm the body? Butter is a product that we consume almost every day and add to baked goods, cereals, etc. But what is the use and harm of butter? It must be remembered that only butter made from natural milk cream is useful. It can have a fat content of 61.5% to 85%, and the fatter it is, the better. All other products called butter are margarine saturated with preservatives, acidity regulators, dyes, emulsifiers, flavors and other impurities. In this case, it is better not to saturate the body with a harmful product, since there is no benefit from margarine. Useful properties of butter. The oil is rich in the most easily absorbed form of vitamin A, essential for the health of the thyroid and adrenal glands. Contains lauric acid, which is important for the treatment of fungal infections. Contains lecithin, essential for cholesterol metabolism. Contains antioxidants that protect against free radical damage. Has antioxidants that protect against weakened arteries. It is an excellent source of vitamin Z and K. The saturated fat in butter has strong anti-tumor and anti-cancer properties. Vitamin D, found in butter, is essential for the absorption of calcium. Protects against caries. It is the only source of stiffness factor that protects against joint calcification. Protects against gastrointestinal infections in young or old people. Is there any harm from butter? Despite many positive aspects, there is also a negative effect of oil, namely high calorie content, saturated fat, cholesterol. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.